Ever wondered how to make homemade apple butter in a crock pot? Well, it's a delightful recipe that fills your kitchen with the sweet smell of spiced apples. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of slow-cooked apple goodness. First off, prepare your apples. You'll need about 5 pounds, a mix of sweet and tart varieties like Granny Smith, Fuji, and Gala. Peel them, core them, and slice them up. Remember, the thinner the slices, the quicker they'll cook down. Next, it's time to mix everything in the crock pot. Add your apple slices, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a half teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a quarter teaspoon each of ground cloves and salt, and a half cup of apple cider or water. If you fancy a little vanilla, a tablespoon of extract adds a nice depth. Once everything's in, give it a good stir. Make sure all the flavors mingle together, coating every apple slice. Cover it up and let it cook on low for about 10 hours. You want the apples to become very soft and caramelized. If you can, give it a stir now and then to ensure even cooking. After the long, slow cook, it's time to blend. An immersion blender is perfect for this, letting you puree the apple mixture directly in the crock pot. If you don't have one, feel free to transfer the mixture to a regular blender in batches. But be careful, it'll be hot. Now, if the apple butter is too thin for your liking, don't worry. Simply cook it uncovered on the low setting for another 1 to 2 hours. It should thicken up nicely. Remember, it'll thicken slightly more as it cools. Finally, preserve your apple butter. You can can it using a water bath method, or just store it in the fridge in airtight containers. It should keep for up to 2 weeks in the fridge, or a few months in the freezer. So there you have it, homemade apple butter in a crock pot. A simple recipe that takes time but rewards you with a deliciously sweet and spiced treat. Enjoy on toast, muffins, or even straight from the spoon. Who knew that cooking could be this enjoyable and rewarding? Remember, the secret ingredient is always love. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers. Until next time, happy cooking!